एक कहावत मशहूर है, कुत्ते की दुम टेढ़ी की टेढ़ी रहे।
There is this one thing every Indian 90s kid did in their living room. Arms out, eyes closed, and spinning. You did not need anyone to teach you. You just saw Shaktiman once. And your body already knew the Gol Gol Ghumna. But see, I'm not here to take that away from you. But I need to tell you something about that spin which you don't know. Because it did not come from India. It came from an American cartoon called The Mask. It was the most iconic visual the show ever produced. The thing on every poster, every lunchbox, every childhood memory was a direct lift. Unnamed, uncredited, unacknowledged for 30 years. And that is just where it starts. Because before the spin, there was the premise. Clumsy photographer, thick glasses, works at a newspaper, and secretly the most powerful being in the city. In love with his journalist colleague who is obsessed with his superhero identity. By completely ignoring the actual man just sitting next to her, that is Lewis and Clark. The New Adventures of Superman, 1993. It was 4 years before Shaktiman even aired. And before that, there was a proper origin. 5 elements. Earth, water, fire, air, space. Ancient Vedic wisdom, they said. Thousands of years of Indian spiritual tradition. Was Captain Planet Episode 1 in 1990, which was an American cartoon. Now here is why any of this matters. The man who built this show has spent 30 years publicly attacking everyone around him for doing far less than this. And I think it is time that someone said it loud. And tonight, that is me, Diptangshu. Segment 1. He actually told you himself. Here is the thing that genuinely gets me. Mukesh Khanna never really tried to hide where Shaktiman came from. He said it himself in print in 1997. In the Screen magazine, his words were, in Indian mythology, there are a lot of strong characters but no superheroes. All we get to see is Superman or Spider-Man. That is why I decided to create an Indian superhero. Superman gave him an idea. See, not the Vedas, not some divine creative calling, but his nephew watching American cartoons on television. His words. He also said in interviews that Gangadhar's entire look, the buck teeth, the floppy hair, the bumbling personality, was directly inspired by the American comedian Jerry Lewis. So, the superhero came from Superman and the alter ego came from an American comedian. And this man has spent the next 30 years telling everyone else what original Indian culture looks like. See, that is the contradiction we are sitting with today. Segment 2. The character map. Let us go inside the actual show because what he admitted in interviews was just the surface. Shaktiman is Superman, Gangadhar is Clark Kent, Geeta Vishwas is Lois Lane, Tamraj Kilvist is Darkseid, Dr. Jackal is Lex Luthor, Aaj Ki Awaaz is the Daily Planet, Pap Money is Kryptonite. 7 direct transplants from the Superman universe, all renamed, all rewrapped, all presented as Indian original creativity. And guess what? It does not stop there. Cerebro, Toad, Rouge, Mystic, Jean Grey, Cyclops, all X-Men characters all have direct equivalence inside Shaktiman. Not one character, but 6. And then there is the spin which I was talking about. Gol Gol Ghumna. It came from an American cartoon called The Mask. And the fun fact is that a whole generation grew up thinking that it was an Indian imagination purely. Segment 3. The full list. Let me give you the complete picture because Superman and X-Men were not completely enough. Shaktiman's power origin, the entire philosophical foundation of how he became who he is, the part that made the show spiritually rooted, authentically Indian, was taken from Captain Planet Episode 1, an American environmentalist cartoon for children. Earth, fire, wind, water, heart, your powers combined. That specific structure lifted and was placed inside Shaktiman's origin and sold to Indian children as ancient Vedic tradition. The most sacred part of the show was a kid's cartoon about recycling. Now, Major Ranjit Singh, Shaktiman's father figure, his entire backstory was drawn from Predator 1987. Arnold Schwarzenegger Hollywood action film. So here is the full confirmed list. The Superman universe, Lewis and Clark across all 4 seasons, 6 X-Men characters, Captain Planet Episode 1 for the entire power origin, Predator 1987 for the father figure, Catwoman for fight sequences, Star Wars for visual atmosphere, The Mask for the iconic spin Gol Gol Ghumna, and 53 additional confirmed Hollywood sources on top of all that. Segment 4. Lewis and Clark. This is where it becomes undeniable. Lewis and Clark premiered September 12, 1993. Dean Cain, Terry Hatcher, a journalist hiding a superhero identity inside a newsroom while falling for a colleague obsessed with his alter ego. Sounds familiar, right? 4 years later, Shaktiman premieres in Doordarshan. Same job, same city structure, same newsroom, same love triangle. but go deeper. Clark Kent is an orphan. His parents died saving him. He was adopted by Jonathan Kent, and apparently Jonathan dies during the series. Similarly, Gangadhar is an orphan. His parents died saving him. He was then adopted by Vidyadhar Shastri, and apparently Vidyadhar is killed during the series. And at that point, it stops feeling like a coincidence, guys. Louis works next to Clark every single day. Thinks he's invisible. The moment Superman shows up, she's completely obsessed. Multiple seasons of being in love with the alter ego while dismissing the actual man sitting right there. Similarly, Geeta works next to Gangadhar. Thinks he's a joke. The moment Shaktiman shows up, she's completely obsessed. Years of being fascinated by the alter ego while dismissing the actual man sitting right next. And Clark spends multiple seasons wanting to tell Louis the truth. Gets close, gets interrupted. Eventually, she finds out herself and resents him for hiding it. Similarly, Gangadhar spends years wanting to tell Geeta the truth, then gets close, gets interrupted. Eventually, she finds out herself and resents him for hiding it. Season by season, arc by arc, beat by beat, copied. My subscriber Aaron William has identified dozens of specific episode-to-episode copies across all 4 seasons of Lewis and Clark. Dozens with episode numbers. That is not inspiration. That is not homage. That is just the same show with different name on it. Segment 5. Now let us talk about this same man who has said about the other people. Me Too recorded interview his exact words. The problem of Me Too began when women started working. Today women talk about walking shoulder to shoulder with men. That is where the problem begins. The first person who suffers is the child because he does not have a mother around him at home.
औरत का काम है घर संभालना, जो माफ करना मैं कभी-कभी बोल भी जाता हूँ कि प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से शुरू हुई है मी टू की भी, कि जब औरतों ने भी काम करना शुरू कर दिया।
तो मैंने कहा ये कसूर सोनाक्षी का नहीं है, बाप का कसूर है। मैं कहा शक्तिमान अगर होता ना, मैं पकड़ के रहता, बिठाता आज के बच्चों इधर बैठ। हमारे देश की परंपरा ये है, सनातन धर्म।
Women got sexually harassed by powerful men at workplaces. And this guy's response, Buddha's response, they should have stayed at home. क्या पे society के रक्षक की भक्षक हो रहे हैं? It was not the men who did it, but the women who showed up at work. Now here is the part I need you to sit with. His show, the one he defends with all of his energy at this old age, has Geeta Vishwas as its lead, a female character. A journalist who works every episode for 8 years. The working woman he borrowed from Lois Lane, renamed and built his show around, is the exact category of the woman he publicly blamed for her own harassment. He built his legacy on her and then told women like her that they caused their own suffering by existing in a workplace. And Mukesh Khanna's show used directly copyrighted Hollywood footages directly in episodes. Now you already know that what he said about Samir Raina in my last video. Every single time Mukesh Khanna disagrees with someone, the solution involves catch them, beat them, hui ha. Oh my god, the self-appointed guardian. Please clap for him. हाथ गंदे हो रहे हैं. Segment 6. Why did this take 30 years to say out loud? You know guys, Mukesh Khanna is not only the frustrating part over here. It is the system that kept it buried for 30 years. And to be honest, the nostalgia in this country is so suffocating. A man can build an entire empire with nostalgia beating, guys. Whenever someone questions Shaktiman like me, they become anti-Indian, etc., etc. It turns critical thinking into cultural betrayal. This is called silencing fans. Keep the comparison videos off YouTube, copyright strike mardo. Keep the nostalgia clean and the label stays forever intact. Segment 7. The psychology behind it. There is a psychological pattern called reaction formation. When your entire identity is built on a claim you cannot fully defend, you compensate by becoming the loudest enforcer of that exact claim. The louder he is about Indian originality, the quieter his own borrowed foundations feel inside his head. That is where a personal psychology stops being a private problem and becomes everyone else's. So guys, Shaktiman was never India's original superhero. Rather, it was India's first adaptation or copying of Superman idea. And guess what? We do not need Supermans. We need honest persons saying the truth out loud without being scared, without being corrupted. And as a proof, the receipts were always there. In Mukesh Khanna's own interviews, in even his own Wikipedia page, inside his own show, Shaktiman. All it needed was someone saying it out loud. So yeah, consider that done. I am Diptangshu. This is Blueberry Blossom Cherry, where we explore minds and humans beyond labels. Around Medium, this one was yours. And you guys, subscribe if facts do not scare you. See you in the next one.